For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Team India's former opener Virender Sehwag has turned chef for a noble cause. The explosive batsman has cooked and prepared food in his home to serve the poor and the needy in Delhi. In this social seva, Virender Sehwag's family too joined him. Sehwag's mother, wife and sons also cooked food along with him and distributed it to those who are in dire need of food. After cooking, packing and serving the migrant workers, Sehwag posted a snap on his social media account.
The satisfaction of cooking and packing food from the comfort of your own homes and getting it distributed to the neediest migrant laborers in these times is a satisfaction a few things can match. If you would like to contribute by making food for 100 people from your own home, please DM on Twitter to @Sehwag Foundation.
The unprecedented lockdown due to coronavirus pandemic has brought lives of many to a standstill. As a result, several thousand migrants were forced to walk home to their native places, but this mass exodus of the migrant workers is resulting in starvation, exhaustion and deaths. The fate of migrant workers has melted many people's hearts. Virender Sehwag started a Ghar Se Seva campaign to help out the needy. He also joined hands with an NGO helping the poor during lockdown times. The former Kings 11 batsman is not just serving the poor but also urged his fans and friends to do the same. Through his social media account, the Nawab of Najafgarh stressed on the importance of helping the needy. Virender Sehwag is not the only one active during the lockdown. There are other cricketers too who are doing their bit to help migrant workers. Players like Mohammad Shami, Harbhajan Singh, Avesh Khan, Tajinder Singh also help the poor. Harbhajan Singh is highly active in serving the people during COVID-19 lockdown. He posted heart-wrenching visuals of migrants on his account and requested his fans to join him in his effort to help the workers. He invited the donations from friends and fans and asked them to help people around them. Bhaji is also doing his bit to help out frontline workers in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. He has sent truckloads of personal protective equipment to various hospitals including most affected Mumbai city hospitals. Another cricketer from India, Mohammad Shami, is helping people in his hometown in Amrohi in Uttar Pradesh. The pacer from Bengal, along with his local friends, provided food and shelter to migrants who are walking back to Rajasthan. It's not just the senior cricketers, even young cricketers are reaching out to people who are in dire need of help. Young facer of IPL franchise Delhi Capitals and his family is helping people in their native place in Rajasthan. India's under-19 sensation and former Royal Challengers Bangalore batsman Sarfaraz Khan to join the brigade of cricketers in social seva. He and his family haven't purchased any clothes nor celebrated Eid. Instead, they donated money and clothes to the poor and needy. Kings 11 batsman Tajinder Singh Dhillon is another player involved in serving the migrant workers. Unable to see the plight of these migrant workers who are returning to their villages, Tajinder and family are serving them with food, water and shelter.